At first, I thought this was just another regular robotic pool cleaner, but I was wrong. The MOVA Diver A10 actually feels like a much more advanced system with AI-powered navigation, strong suction power, smart app controls, and some seriously impressive edge and waterline cleaning performance that you normally expect from much more expensive models. Before we start our review of the MOVA Diver A10 pool cleaner, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by the brand MOVA and they sent this over for me to check it out, but as always my thoughts remain completely honest, genuine and based on real use. Starting with the unboxing and setup, as you can see everything was packaged really nicely and setup was actually very straightforward. You basically charge it up, connect it to the MOVAhome app, select your cleaning mode and drop it into the pool. Just that simple. Fully cordless, there are no tangled cables or complicated installation steps to deal with, which already makes the whole experience feel much cleaner and easier. One of the first things that impressed me during real use was the cleaning power. This thing delivers up to 22,700 lph suction power, powered by triple brushless motors and a dual track drive system, and you can genuinely see the difference when it starts picking up leaves, sand, algae, bugs, hair, and smaller debris from the pool floor. What really makes it stand out though is the AI navigation system. The PoolNavi intelligent path planning constantly adapts its movement depending on the pool shape and layout, and instead of randomly bouncing around like cheaper cleaners, this one moves much more methodically and efficiently, and during my testing, coverage felt very consistent across the floor, walls, and even the waterline areas. Another huge highlight is the EdgePulse technology for edge cleaning. It uses AI precision tracking to stay aligned with pool contours and clean much closer along the edges and walls, which are usually the areas where debris and buildup get left behind on many other robots. Speaking of the waterline, I have to mention the dual waterline scrubbing system. It actually performs multiple scrubbing passes around the waterline, scrubbing twice, and the cleaning height can reach up to 5 cm above the waterline. That extra height makes a noticeable difference in removing oils, dirt buildup, and algae much more effectively, and in real-world use, this helps the pool look cleaner overall instead of just vacuuming the bottom and ignoring the upper built-up areas. Now let's talk about the app, because this is where you get serious control. The MOVAhome app gives you 8 different cleaning modes to choose from. As you can see, you've got scheduling features too, so you can set weekly cleanings, monitor cleaning logs, and basically manage everything remotely. That makes the overall experience feel much more automated and hands-free long-term. Quick note on auto park docking, that feature is available, but you do need to turn it on inside the app first, as you can see, and battery life is another strong point here, where you get up to 240 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is more than enough for larger cleaning sessions, and it can handle pools up to around 180 square meters or roughly 1900 square feet. When it comes to maintenance, it's pretty simple too, thanks to the large 3.5-liter filtration basket. This larger basket captures very fine debris like hair and sand that other filters might miss. And here is the best part: when it's time to clean it, just grab a hose, rinse the cartridge, and once it's clean, you just put it back in. It is super easy to maintain, and also the quick drain system helps you reduce extra weight when lifting it out, and once the cleaning cycle is done, the robot automatically parks near the pool edge, which makes retrieval a lot easier. Now, if you want my opinion about this robot pool cleaner and whether it's worth buying, then my answer is definitely yes. I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants a smart cordless robotic pool cleaner with powerful cleaning performance, advanced navigation, strong wall and waterline cleaning, and a much more hands-free pool maintenance experience overall. And one more thing before you go, right now there is a huge Prime Day discount on this, plus you can use my promo code for additional 20% off site-wide. That's definitely a great deal to take advantage of. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the MOVA Diver A10 robotic pool cleaner. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the right fit for you and your pool. If you want to get yours and enjoy smarter automated cleaning, powerful suction, cleaner pool walls and water lines, and less time manually maintaining your pool, then this is definitely one worth checking out. See you in the next video. Peace.